Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're shopping for a vacuum sealer, do not hesitate. This one from Mesliese is incredible. It has totally blown my mind, and I am so glad that I have it. So if you like to buy your meat in bulk, or you just want anything sealed, honestly, if you want to keep your food fresher for longer, this is the solution. So you can do wet or dry. So as you can see here, I had a bunch of ribs that I wanted to be able to freeze. It comes with 5 pre-sized bags, which are nice and generous, and then also 2 rolls that you can size however you wish. So when you're vacuum sealing meat, of course you want to suck all of that air out. So that's made so easy just by the touch of a button. You can see it takes every little bit of air and then it seals it for you. Perfect for the freezer. This will extend the life of your freezer food by a long shot. There's nothing worse than freezer burnt meat, so this will keep it so much longer for you. You can cut the bags to size, seal one end, put whatever it is in there, and seal the other end, and you're good to go. Chips, you know how those go stale. Well, now they don't have to. You open a bag, you're not ready to finish it, you can reseal it and put it away in your cupboard, and it's as if you never opened it to begin with. It works like a charm. There's no wait time. You turn it on, it's ready to go. Of course, it also comes with a little knife, so when you're sizing your bags, you don't even need a pair of scissors. So how convenient is that? You're also able to choose whether it's wet or dry food and also the amount of pressure you use, so normal or gentle. It also comes with the attachment so you can seal jars. The back even has a DC adapter, so you can use this on the go. You'll be shocked with how many uses you find for this vacuum sealer, but I especially love it just for buying my meat in bulk. It really makes it simple to stock your freezer without the fear of freezer burn. So I definitely think you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.